Okay, it's opening, it's opening. Joey's opening back.
Give them prayer hands, say what's up America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica. Shout out to my shout out.
So, basically, yeah, every player is from 83 to 90 rated. 6 players, all 83 to 90 rated, yeah? So open that first. I'm hoping that like the big one like should be like 88 at least, otherwise I'll be fine with it. So whew. What colour is it?
What do you mean, what colour is it?
I mean, what colour is it? Is it gold? Is it like a normal card? Like a normal gold?
Yeah.
It is.
87 rating.
87.
Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Not
What,
worse.
Scottish?
Yeah.
Scottish? Robertson, yeah. Fuck. That's horrible.
That is
That's
shit.
rubbish.
I'm sorry.
Well, yeah, that's pretty crusty pack, I can't lie. 83, oh my god, that's horrible.
You're welcome.
Good fodder.
Alright, I swear to God, Jeff, if this pack is bad, I've played for days, don't open it, where does it right now? I've played for days to open it, yeah. I had to do squad battles with like 5 different teams, 6 different games, every team.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, if this is bad, you don't understand. So the 25 cards, yeah, they're all 83 plus, so if I don't look at a 1 special.
I'm scared.
No, if this is bad, I'm actually
You can't be
gonna cry.
horrible because I'm ill. You can't be horrible.
That sounds big. No, it's not good. Is it? What? Is it the same guy?
The shit.
Are they? What rating is it?
87.
87!
Sorry, what?
Ruben Diaz! That's the best player! Ruben Diaz is the best player! Out of 25 cards, all 83 plus.
What? Is that bad?
That's horrible!
Oh.
That's awful!
Sorry.
That's oh, yeah, you got him in it, but no! No, Tilly, what's all that about?
It's not my fault.
Do you know how long I've played?
Hey, what's going on?
I did 83 times 25 and got Diaz!
Sorry.
The hours of sat. Bruv. Awful. Right. Come on then.
Don't let him see the light.
Bruv, okay, it's opening, it's opening. Joey, just open the back. I've got time, what's on the screen? Is it gold? On the card? Purple.
What else was that?
Do you know what country it is? Ah! Oh! Bruv! Bruv! Dybala! Right, there's 3 cards in here, all 85 plus, yeah. So far, you've had the stinkiest packs ever. Not then.
What did you do that for?
Well, open it.
I am.
Well, it better be good. No, it's not. I know it's not gold, is it? It's not gold.
Purple.
I can tell from your reaction. Purple. Is it Dybala again?
No.
No. What country is it?
I don't know what country is.
Is it
89.
89? Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Is it Sanchez?
No.
Not Sanchez.
I don't want to say his name.
See that? Let's go. That's actually sick. That's actually sick.
You're welcome.
No way. Let's see what's on the rest of the packs.
Yes.
Good fodder.
That's not bad. That's not bad.